Hello everyone. So in this video we will have a demo of the previous video because even though I told that I didn't show for a demo, go for a demo. So since I explained the code, I will just go for a quick demo. So I believe you might have doing the same thing with your real Arduino, and you will be seeing the values in the serial monitor, right? So since this is a video and I'm screen recording, I will go for the Tinkercad simulation environment. So things are ready here, so I will go for the code. Okay, so I'll paste. Okay, so then same thing, right? Same single variable name, reassigning the values, and I will start the simulation. This is coming, and I will open the serial monitor. See, I am ARD and ABCD are coming repeatedly, one after another, right, guys? You can note that down, right? The same behavior when you have two variables is happening here. So you can, if you want, you can reassign the x value to something else, and you can present, display or print that value also as the third value. Okay, that's also possible. So as many as time you want, you can assign the value to a variable. That's totally fine. Okay, so I'll stop the video here. It is just a demo purpose, and I will continue from the next video, guys. Until then, have a great day ahead. Bye.